In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a library on Arduino application. So first of all, and of course, you would like to go and download it through any browser you are using maybe, and of course you can download the latest version if you want, sorry, or you can just download the version I'm using, which is 1.8.1, and of course everything will work for you. So of course, if you want to add a library or install a library, as we said, all you need to do, just go and click at the sketch right here, then click at include, not just hover, include library, then click at manage libraries right here. So this will actually take some couple of seconds, maybe 10, maybe 15, until an pop-outs will pop here and open into this application. So let's just wait for that until it's actually open. As you can see, here is it, and here, as you can see, library manager. So here you have a lot of lists of libraries, and of course you can install whatever you want from here. Just go search from this filter your search. So of course now I cannot even click on them until this updating list of installed libraries finish. As you can see, it just finished. Now I can click, or I can even search by this filter. So of course, just click at whatever library you want. Choose, some of them have even versions. So just search for whatever you want. Choose the version if you want, then click at install, and you will be good to go. Of course, you have the other option of downloading the library through a browser by .zip format, of course. Then go here to sketch, click at include libraries, then click at add .zip library. And from here you will find it's probably at your downloads, and just choose whatever library by double clicking on it, or one click then click as open, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.